everybody. So, not going to go far today, but what we are going to do is we are going to take the pocket out and get some shots just of the road. I don't have a subject. I can't obviously film myself like it's a 360 or anything like that, so we're just going to get some road shots, see how it looks, see how stabilized this is. Now, when I stabilize this with the car, it works completely fine. So I'm kind of hoping that the same thing it is with the bike. Put that on like so. Like you would think, but we're gonna put that on there. And with this little 3-footed beast that has worked so well, we're gonna get it on there as good as possible. All right. Get that turned on. QT. I might go to QT. I don't really want to go to QT though. So, looks like I have to set the horizon lock on it, otherwise it just goes down. I'm not really sure why. Not really sure why it did that, but oh shit. I need to look at that real quick. It fell. Let's see why it fell. I don't think I had the bolt locked in. I was wondering why it was facing down. So weird. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. I thought maybe it was like the horizon lock had went away, but apparently not. Let me be careful here. Shitty. What's cool is that you can see the app right here on your phone versus just having to, you know, like if I was just depending on what was on the back like that, I wouldn't have noticed that, you know. So it's good to be able to have the app and kind of see what's going on. But the footage from it looks pretty good from here. I obviously won't know until I actually like am able to look at it. I should have used my pliers to kind of give it an extra crank down to make sure the ball head doesn't move. All right. Let's get some gas, baby. Got my new wallet. Shit. Well, I guess I shouldn't have did that. What a weird fucking setup. Fuck. Like, this ball head is not the way to go. Honestly, I'm starting to think like that this ball head is probably not the way to go. Again, trying to find the best way. This ball head may not be the best way. Seemed like it was recording fine, but the ball head, dangerous area right here. Ever since they put this gas station in, it just makes it more dangerous. I guarantee you he did not stop at the stop sign. He literally blew right past me, man. I wonder if I caught that on camera. I don't think he stopped at the stop sign. Let's just put it that way. A little scary, man, because it's always somebody in a fucking van. Why he's trying to cut the grass when it just stormed. Stormed all night. Yeah, that dude in the van is fucking cooking right now. He ain't fucking. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm definitely digging it. We're gonna stop at the house real quick, and I want to tighten this thing down. Right now I have it laid down, as you guys saw. I think that it'd be good like that. My only concern is that all of the weight is there's more weight on the weak point, which is that 1/4 inch thread, and I don't like it. I'm just trying to keep everything to where it doesn't strip that bolt or that thread after continuous use. It probably won't do it now, but like I just want to find the best way to have it like probably upright. Okay.